Believe it or not, this is the world's favorite place to go for podcasting and live streaming. It's the In Wheel Time Car Talk Show. Ahead, Chris Hatto and the new Cafe Standards. I hope that's how you pronounce his name. We'll have This Week in Auto History. Get you caught up on the stories making headlines. And I promise that this half hour, I'm going to have the review of the 2024 Lexus RX450h Plus.
Hybrid
Howdy.
Plus.
Yeah, howdy, along with Mike out of this world, Mars. You, sir, you're trouble today. I can see that look on your face.
It's all
we
rested
always
up.
need more Jeff Zekin. I'm Don Armstrong. Glad you could join us today. Let me know when Chris gets with us. But you know what I think we're going to do, Jeffrey, if it's okay with you, let's do the car review while we wait.
Yeah, that would be a good idea because
all right, let me get her loaded up.
Okay.
Let me get loaded.
Okay. He's going to get loaded.
Just gonna get
amongst
loaded.
It won't
yourselves.
be the
while
first
get
time, I
loaded.
can tell you that. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
All
the
right.
Toyota Tacoma, right?
That's not it. But thank you for playing. We had a promo that we did this morning to promote the fact that we were getting ready to do the show.
Hence the word promo.
And Mr. Mars pulled a quick one on me. He pulled a bob on me, and put down a car that I haven't actually had the opportunity to review yet. So I said that, but that's not today's car review.
Oh, well, wasn't it the pro? Didn't we weeks ago have the wrong one in there? Something of that nature.
I don't
remember.
I don't know.
Okay,
No.
never mind.
But he's playing games. So at any rate, it doesn't make any difference. I think what he did was he made a mistake on the rundown that he sends me, and then he went, I'm just going to leave it in there, and I'll just put the real one below it, which he did.
And who read the teleprompter?
I read it, just like Bob did. Time now for this hour's car review. 2024 Lexus RX450h Plus. Fifth generation of the RX line. This is considered a luxury, all-wheel drive, two-row, full-size crossover vehicle, also known as a PHEV, partial hybrid electric vehicle. Seats, including the driver, 5 butts can go in there. All new for 2024. The exterior features include, although toned down a little bit, the front end can still be polarizing. It is that what they call the spindle grille look, but it's different. They fixed it up, and I actually kind of like it. Did I say that?
Growing on you.
Nice body side sculpting, floating roof paint minimizes the large C-pillar on this car. Rear hatch has the bustle-style architecture back there. I had to look at that twice. I'm going, am I seeing that correctly? Mm-hmm. The subtlety of their styling is really cool once you start to look at it and look at it up close. Stylish upscale wheels. Overall look gets an A in design. Interior highlights include a classy, modern, upscale interior, huge infotainment screen. Listen, if your finger can't hit that going down a bumpy road, nothing can. Comfortable seating throughout. No more touchpad on the center console. Thank you. Cargo room, tons of space without the third row in it. This is only a two-row luxury SUV, and I mean luxury all the way. What I liked about it, steering wheel controls, pretty straightforward. So you don't have to sit there and try to figure that out. Mm-hmm. And let me tell you, there are a lot of new cars out there that want to put too much on the steering wheel. There's no need to do that. Now, here's what the interesting part about this. This vehicle has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder plug-in hybrid electric motor combination with a total of 304 horsepower. That's pretty good. Mm-hmm. CVT transmission, tow rating 3,500 if you're going to do that, but I wouldn't imagine. But it can. Gas-electric combination, miles per gallon electric, 83 miles per gallon electric. Gas only, 35 miles per gallon. The miles per gallon rated combination, 36 mpg. I got 37.5 miles per gallon over 420.6 miles.
And that's in thin air.
Very thin air, especially when you get to 14,000 feet at the top of Pikes Peak, which I did on this particular vehicle, and it worked like a charm. What I liked about it, plenty of smooth power, believe it or not. I'll take one. Ride and handling, smooth ride and handling, top notch all the way. The base trim price for the 350h starts at $49,000. I say this because my vehicle was a pre-production model and I didn't have all of the information on it. Now, the price as tested for the 450h Plus is $76,305. That's the price as tested. The base model price is $68,730. Yes, it's expensive, but it's not as expensive as the BMW X5 plug-in for $72,500. Another plug-in is the Lincoln Corsair. $53,925 is the base on that one. And just to throw in a gasoline version, Acura RDX is a competitor, I guess, $54,150. There are going to be more and more plug-in hybrids, and I would encourage you to do your homework if that's what you're in the market for, but I would definitely recommend checking out the Lexus RX450h Plus. That's my review for this week.
The